Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction features on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Now Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, as you can see, some smart typing features are over here. You can switch them on or off by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones or clicking on them and tapping on the switchers over here. You can always scroll down as well, tap on more typing options and manage all of those from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!